Very striking horse. Very handsome.
Thank you.
Very.
Mm-hmm.
You know, some horses have a harder time with them than others, but they may look very natural for him.
Yeah, like all the horses, he anticipates sometimes.
Yeah.
But
yeah.
you have to ride them, unlike some of the hunters and jumper horses. They sort of know what you expect from them, because in dressage we don't want them to anticipate, we don't want them to put too much of initiative.
Right.
He's really waiting for a signal. Strong jumpers who always pull and go crazy, and she was riding him like this. She was good about holding a contact, but then she didn't give him much legacy. She expected him to just sort of pull her to the jump, and he was not. So when she was not making turn, she will pull back and he will go to the trot, and then she got up lost. Now what? It's like, now you have to send him forward.
Yeah, right.
I was at the Devon at so the equitation horses in a warm up, and I think it's exactly what we do at the first and second level.
You're
ride them on the beat, and they with the rider, they listen, they correct.
Yep.
So he can, but I lost the drive. The higher the jumps, the better his form. He's not laboring over the small ones.
Well, and that's actually good too, because you don't want him to waste effort.
I like how she rides following him with your hands, because when I see people just sit there and pull against their mouth, it makes me cringe.
Oh, I know. Me too. No, Allison has very soft hands. Allison's really good with young green horses.
Yeah.